Today we're going to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name. So before we go on, I would like to encourage you to watch this video to the end, as it will be straightforward and concise. So now what we're going to start with firstly is we are going to refresh our Roblox. And now refreshing Roblox will not harm our account in any way. Okay, so firstly we're going to open our browser, then go to the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on settings. Now we're going to come here and we'll click on privacy and security. Now click on third-party cookies and scroll down. You're going to see all site data and permissions, but now we're going to go up there to the search bar and search Roblox. Now here we go, we're going to delete site data. Now after deleting the site data, we're going to type the Windows arrow, and now we're going to type percentage local app data percentage again, and now it's going to bring us here. So now when we come here, we're going to see temp. We're going to search the temp and delete Roblox from the temp folder. We're going to delete Roblox from the temp folder. Now we're going to go back and we're going to see Roblox here again. We're going to delete it again. So after deleting it, now we open our browser again and log into our Roblox account. Now you're going to log in. After logging in, we click on any game and then click play. After this, we will need to download the Roblox again, and we click on download and install the Roblox and proceed with the installation. While downloading Roblox, we can choose to save it to desktop. After downloading, we click on the installed Roblox and then click on run, and let's see where it takes us right now. Yeah, we've installed the Roblox. Before opening the game, we right click on Roblox player and then click on properties. Then we click on compatibility. After doing this, we tick disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Then we click apply and then OK. Now we open up browser and start any game. As you can see, Roblox opened without any issues. We have come to the end of this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our amazing content.